Welcome to the testing world. In this session, we are going to understand basics of shell script. So, first, we will understand how can we create comments in shell script, then to display data on a shell prompt, and then variables in shell script. Here, I am on my Ubuntu machine. So first I'm going to create a new shell script file. I'm giving the name second.sh. Now press I to come in insert mode, means we can write the code now, and to make a comment we can use hash. So this is for comment line. To display something on the console we can use echo. So echo, this is basics of shell scripting. So we have seen how we can create comments. Apart from it, it is not required to use semicolon at the end of the line, which is the part of C, C++ and Java. So we need not to write semicolon at the end of the line. To display something on the console, we are going to use this echo command. Variables. So variables are used to hold some data, and value of the variable can be changed. So we have two types of variable. One is system defined and other is user defined. System defined variables are already created and the name of the variables are in capital letter. User defined variables, we can create it, and the naming convention is that we can use small letters, start with the alphanumeric and underscore. System defined variable can be seen by using env command. So I'm moving here and just env. Escape colon wq. ls-la, it shows my second.sh file is created. I'm changing the mode because as of now the mode is read and write. So ch mode 777 and second.sh. Again ls-la, and here it shows the mode has been changed. To execute this, sh second.sh. So in my file, first I'm writing a comment. So comment will not display over here. Then we have something to display on the console, and at the end env. So execute it, and here we can see first that is the echo which we have written, and then env. So env is showing all the system defined variables. To display a value of the specific variable, we can use echo dollar and then variable name. So I'm moving to my Unix environment. Here, clear the screen, and I want to make the changes on the same file. So vim second.sh. So it will open the same file, and here insert, I'm in insert mode, and now I want to remove this env. I don't want to display all the variables. I just want to display predefined variable or the system defined variable. The name is home. So I want to display the value of this predefined variable. Escape colon wq. ls-la, because permission is already set for execute, so we need not to change the permission again. Just sh second.sh, and here we see first my echo is executing, and then my echo dollar home means I'm displaying the path of the home environment variable or the predefined variable. We can create a user defined variable, but the name of the user defined variable should be in small letters started with alphanumeric or underscore. So I'm going to create few user defined variables. So vim second.sh, and here I'm coming to insert mode, and first I'm removing the already existing content from here. Then I'm writing a command user defined variables, and first variable which is I am defining is I is equal to 10. To display the value of this variable, we can use echo $I escape colon WQ. To execute this, sh file name dot sh, and here it display 10 because we have created a user defined variable I and we are displaying the value of this I. Moving to my file again. This time I want to create a string type of variable, so I have created variable. I'm coming to the insert mode, J and testing word. While defining a string, we can use either double quote or single quote. The difference is that in case of the single quote, we cannot replace any variable, but in case of the double quote, we can replace variable. So now testing word, your score is $I. So we can replace or we can use any other variable because we are using double quote. Here I'm using $J. I want to print the value of the $J. Escape colon WQ. Running it sh second.sh, and here testing word, your score is 10. Here 10 is displaying because we have written $I. $I means we are replacing the value of the I variable. We can check it again, and here we are using $I means we are replacing the value of the I. Value is replaced just because we are using double quote. We have seen here we can replace the value if we are using double quote, but in case if we are using single quote, like if we are using like this, escape colon WQ. So now I'm executing and here it shows your score is $I because we cannot replace the value. So whatever the value written inside single quote will be displayed as a string. So in this session, we have covered how to create variables, how to display the value of the variable, how we can display string, how can we replace the value of the string. So all these things are covered in the current session. Thanks for watching this video.